Yeah, hi. This is the 3000 watt with the LCD screen. This is the model, the power jack. It exploded one day. I do believe that the main circuit board looks okay. I'll show you the video and we'll go through it all, and you can give me an idea of what you think that I need to replace for this model. So coming in from the negative side, yeah, negative. You can see the power transistors are blown to shit, really badly. So that's both banks might need replacing, I think. Can't really tell if these ones are okay or not, but it's probably better safe. They look okay to me, I don't know. But this one here looks very bad. The transformer looks okay. On the positive side, if we have a look, these transistors are in very bad shape. As you can see, they blew up. This side appears to be okay as well. Not sure. Under the main circuit board, it does not look burnt out, it looks safe. As you can see, that's mainly it. I've made a few adjustments for this system. I've added a second fan because it used to shut itself off all the time, and I've made a small circuit to activate both fans at my determined temperature, because before I used to have to keep the fan turned on all the time, but ever since I installed this thing, it stopped it from shutting down. But this problem here happened all just for no reason. Just one night all the power went off, and that was it. Just caused a big problem. Yeah.